That's a bigger one, yeah. Hi, buddy. Look him go. Oh, you guys are the ones that start the rock slides, I see. What is this? What is it?
It's the Zodiacs.
Well, I know this is a Zodiac, but what is he talking about? Like, what does it have to do with...
The figures in the Republic rest upon is called black diorite.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get the nerve to go walk over there. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I'm afraid. It's not like I'm gonna fall or anything. I think I've watched too many scary apocalyptic movies, you know, where there's an earthquake and the bridge collapses and you're stuck. Crazy.
Shit.
What's wrong?
The pulse rates are spiking again. They're huge.
Are you serious? Jim?
We're about to have a major quake.
It jumped to a 7.1! Jesus, Kim, get the hell out of there! Everybody get off the deck! Oh, no! Everybody off! Hurry up! Stay behind the barriers! Stay behind the barriers! Damn! Hurry!
Come here. I got you.
Oh my god! Please! Oh my god! Damn! Hurry up!
There. I'm not getting to the edge.
That's mommy's wheelchair.
Yeah, but mom's not sitting in it.
Okay. I'm just not gonna look. I'm not gonna look, and I'm gonna get a little bit farther. Raven, don't run! Well, because I feel more comfortable when I don't see you in my eyes. Because I'm more afraid that you'll fall than me fall. Got this weird thing in my head, bro. Sorry. Okay. It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Yeah. I think that's as close as I'm gonna get. I still don't get what's happening right there though. I don't know what this celestial body image. It's pretty neat though. Yeah. I'm scared. Okay, that's cool. So I'm looking at this bridge and I think it's phenomenal. Oh, there are people walking on there, Raven. That would be the ultimate test right there. Walking on that bridge. There's people walking on it. You can walk on it. That would be the ultimate test. Ooh. How wonderful people can build stuff like that. It's just amazing.